So previously I talked about Brave browser and some other browsers, but this time we're doing something special with Helium browser. Okay, if you look at it here, it says internet without interruption, best privacy and unbiased ad blocking by default. That means it comes with a default ad blocker, no adware, no bloat, no noise, fully open source. So let's check it out. Click on this button right here. I will choose this one on the left, x86 and 64. Okay, so there we have it. Now straight up, going to click on the installer. If you get something like this, just click on more info, choose run anyway. Click next. I agree. Just install it. Finish. So now it says configure your browser just the way you want it or use the default preset with best privacy and comfort. I will choose configure. Now if you scroll down all through these services, we don't have to change anything here actually. Everything is okay by default. So I'm going to click on next. Out of all these options, I'm going to choose DuckDuckGo for the best privacy. Then click on next. If you want to transfer your stuff from other browsers like your histories, bookmarks, extensions, you can actually choose any of these. I'm going to skip this one because I want to start afresh. So I'm going to go on next. And here it says ready to switch to Helium. No, I'm going to choose no and next. Let's go. Click on that. So by default, this is what you're going to get after installing the Helium browser. But of course, we're going to make some changes. If you click on the shield icon here, this is one important feature that comes with this browser. Not like Chrome where you have to go to the Chrome store to get the ad blocker extension. This one is inbuilt, which is pretty cool. So now click on this three dot, go down to customize Helium, click on that. So if you click around here, you can see the color changes. Also, you can change the mode. You want a dark or you want a light mode. I'm going to choose this one right here. You can actually change the wallpaper by just clicking on this and importing any wallpaper of your choice. But I won't be doing that in this video. Go on to Toolbar. Here you have the options to enable some features. And the first one I want to enable here is the home. Go to the right side here, toggle this on. Now you can see on the top left here, we have this home icon, which makes it easier for you to return to the home page. The next one is the open in split view. We'll toggle that one, and this is where you get to split the screen. I'm going to show you how that works in a while. For the sake of convenience, you can actually add delete browsing data. Enable this one. Now you can see the recycle bin icon here. If you click on that, this is going to redirect you to your history where you can easily delete your browsing history. Trust me guys, this is going to come in handy at some point in your life. So we go on. So I'm going to cancel on that and we proceed to the next one. Click on here again. This time I'm going to go down to settings. Click on appearance and behavior. Under browser layout, you can actually change the options here. If you want to go for dynamic, click on that. And that changes the position of the browser. But if you make it compact, you can see that it's actually smaller here. And if you make it vertical, we have this vertical tab on the left side here. I won't be talking about vertical tabs in this video. I'm going to leave it on classic. Now, if you observe this one right here, if you go down to minimal address bar, toggle it on, we can now see that it is centralized and it's looking much better. Honestly, we won't have to change much because most of the useful features are actually enabled by default. So we don't have to go much around the old settings. Now we go on to the extensions. I am going to introduce you to two useful extensions. Click on that. Here we only have the default extension, which is the uBlock Origin. Now to get more extension, we're going to add on to Chrome Web Store. Now we're going to search for Chrome Web Store. There we have it. Click on that. Just head on to the website. Now in the Chrome Web Store, we're going to search for New Tab Redirect. There we have it. Click on that. Then add to Chrome. Choose Add Extension. Now it says New Tab Redirect has been added to Helium. I'm going to X on this. Click on this one right here. Click on that. Click again. At the bottom here, click on Set Your Options. We're going to leave it this way. Open a new tab, and here you want to search DuckDuckGo. Now click on the start page. Copy this one right here. Copy. Head on back to this New Tab Redirect. Paste it in, then click Save. So whenever you click on this plus icon to open a new tab, this redirects you to the DuckDuckGo.com. We have two options here, search and doc.ai. I'm going to leave it on search for now. If you click on the split icon, this actually splits your screen into two, which allows you to multitask easily. You can actually extend the width of this page. For example, if you want this one to be wider, you can extend it and position it the way you want it to be. If you want to get back to one page, click on here and choose separate views. Many of us are loyal Chrome users, but I'm going to introduce you to an extension that will let you use this new browser alongside with some Google features. Now we head on back to the Chrome Web Store. Search for black menu for Google. There we have it. Click on that. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, I'm going to click on here to review the extension. Now click on here to pin it. It's going to be here permanently, which gives us easy access to the settings. Now click on this. This gives us access to all these Google features. So we have search, Gemini, maps, translate, news, YouTube, Gmail. How cool is that? You can actually add more features if you want. So click on customize. Just scroll all the way. Now I'm going to add docs to this. All you have to do is to simply drag it. Just drag and drop. That is it. I'm going to do Chrome Store as well. Just drag it there and drop it. You can actually reposition these accordingly. For example, I want to take this Gmail and put it up there. Just click on this and drag it to your desired position and drop. So that's where I want it to be. Once you're done, just click done and click on any empty space to close it. And that is it about that. So that's going to be all for now, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, support me. Also click on that join if you want to be a member. I need your support, guys. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Have a nice day. Peace out.